Welcome to Xindun Studio. I'm the guest today, Jennifer. I'm so honored and happy to introduce to you our new models, the all-in-one inverter, surcharge controller, battery, portable power station. As market feedback, a lot of people are asking some new stuff. What is the new stuff? That is all-in-one inverter, surcharge controller, battery, to replace an old model that is one model type, inverter and battery separately. Alright, here we go. We'll introduce to you this model from three aspects: the basic product information, the advantage, the application. Okay, before my introduction, I will tell you this model number. This model number, HES protein. Alright, HES protein. Do you remember? Okay, so we'll introduce the first part, basic product information. The first point, fashionable appearance. You can see that black, green, and white, the three colors that helps this model looking really modern and popular. The second point, easy operation. You'll see that we have the on-off button. When you press it, you can power on, and when you press again, you'll power it off. Very easy operation. And the third point, Wi-Fi optional. When you use Wi-Fi, we can achieve remote control by mobile phone. And the fourth point, flexible OEM service. What is the flexible OEM service? That is customized appearance, customized color, and customized parameter. And we'll introduce the advantages. Here we go. The first advantage, easy installation. That is inverter, battery, solar charge controller all-in-one. Very easy installation. And the second point, fast charging. With 100 amps mppt, this model can charge the battery very fast. Sometimes even 1 hour can fully charge the battery. And the third point, high solar power generation efficiency. This model will offer high VOC, 500 VDC, that will help our model generate the solar power very high efficiency. Okay, we'll also introduce to you the application. For this model, we can use for 5,000+ solar energy system for houses. We take about 2 pieces air conditioners. And also, we supply emergency power supply to the office. We also can provide uninterruptible power supply to the canteen. Okay, if you want to learn more for Xindun all-in-one portable power station HES protein, call Jennifer now, and I will tell you more. See you in our next show, where I wait for you all the time.